Hi friends, my name is Jane Strudwick. I teach upper school math here at Nobles. I am making this video about my first time propagating plants this summer. So this summer I've been a little bit more into houseplants than normal. I usually don't have a particularly green thumb, but we're working on it. So this is a pretty largely grown Monstera plant that I got at a local nursery, and I tried propagating it, and we're gonna see how it goes. So basically what I did is I took off a piece and cut at a place where two branches come out. So a node, which would be like these two places, so down here would be a node. And you can actually already see this little baby root trying to grow. So if you cut it down, that's where the roots would come out of. So I have these two little branches of my pretty little leaves, and they are just in water. So they're just growing in water right now. I just put them in here yesterday, and this is that node that I cut. And so there's that little like new growth right there, and these two much more developed branches with their leaves. And you can already see one root that was kind of starting, and then a little baby root that's trying to grow, and that little nub right next to it actually wasn't there yesterday. This was the first one that I did with the two parts, and you can see these roots are really growing in, really getting there. And then I cut a second one that has three, and it already had a pretty big root on it because it was a little bit off of the soil. So this big darker root was already there, but you can see there's some littler ones, and then this guy is poking through. So we're gonna put these in a pot today. Thanks so much for watching. Here's my new little baby plant. She's cute. I'm excited. Hopefully she thrives. Jax, you want to say bye? Can you say bye? Woof woof. Bye everyone.